Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Realme 8i and let me share with you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list and find the contact you would like to edit and tap on it. Now let's tap on edit contact and pick this camera icon right in the middle. And as you can see here, we've got two different options, so we can either take a photo and then after picking this option your device will open the camera up. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and you're able to catch a photo of he or she, or you can choose a photo from the gallery, and I will pick this option, so let me tap on it. Here we have to decide where we want to complete this action, so I will pick the photos. Of course, agree and continue, and now we have to find the photo we would like to use and tap on it. And as you can see from this step, we can adjust the size of this square, and let me check if we can zoom in. No, we cannot zoom in or out the photo, and by changing the size of the square and the position of it, we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because this area is responsible for it. So just position it like you want to, and if you're happy with your choice, just tap on done in the right upper corner. As you can see, it is visible right here, so remember to tap on save in the right upper corner again, and as you can see, it has been immediately applied. What's more, it will be visible on the contact list and you will be able to see it whilst all incoming calls from that number. So actually this is it. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your Realme 8i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.